PYAS ransomware is a type of malicious software that encrypts the files on an affected computer and then demands a ransom payment from the user in order to decrypt them. It is typically spread through spam email attachments or malicious websites, with users tricked into downloading and executing the ransomware installers on their own computer. Once installed, PYAS ransomware will scan for certain file types such as images, documents, videos, and other important data and encrypt them using strong encryption algorithms. The ransomware will then drop a ransom message on the victim's screen, demanding payment before they can regain access to their data. Infections like PYAS ransomware can be distributed via software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps distributed through torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing such threats. During the encryption process, PYAS ransomware adds the .PYAS extension to the affected files. For example, if a user had a file named 1.jpg, PYAS would rename it to 1.jpg.pyas. In order to retrieve the encrypted files, victims are instructed to contact the attackers via Discord under the username on the screen. According to the ransom note, victims must then follow the instructions provided by the attackers to regain access to their data. There is currently no known free third-party tool that could decrypt files affected by PYAS ransomware. Despite that, it is still highly recommended that you do not attempt to pay a ransom for a decryption key, as this does not guarantee the recovery of the encrypted files. It is best to focus on methods that can help you restore your data and protect your system from similar threats. How do I deal with the PYAS ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the PYAS ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders and downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way, you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future ransomware infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.